Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna Denise Johnson and I am a licensed clinical social worker and therapist based in the state of Maryland. Today we will dive deeper into how to practice self-love. Let's look at some tips to help us cultivate it. Number 1, self-awareness. Self-awareness is the foundation of self-love. By identifying our needs and desires, we can communicate them clearly and assertively to others. We don't have to send mixed messages. Number 2, practicing mindfulness helps us to observe each moment with a non-judgmental and accepting attitude, which can lead to greater self-awareness. Number 3, self-love also requires us to practice gratitude. By focusing on what we are grateful for, we can start to see ourselves in a more positive light and appreciate our own unique qualities and strengths. Gratitude helps us to cultivate a more positive and optimistic mindset. When we focus on the good in our lives, we are more likely to see challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Number 4, surrounding ourselves with positive relationships and positive people is another critical aspect of self-love. We should and must let go of toxic relationships that drain our energy or undermine our self-worth. You got to let go of toxic people, and this may include your family. You don't owe anyone your time or energy if they are not adding value to your life. Full stop, real talk. Number 5, pursuing our passions is also essential for self-love. Knowing what we are passionate about helps us to develop a sense of purpose as we build skills and expertise in areas that are meaningful and fulfilling. Number 6, setting healthy boundaries is vital for self-love. We must become comfortable with saying no when necessary. Number 7, practicing self-love definitely means that we have to practice self-care. Right? When we practice self-care, we are sending a message to our subconscious that we matter and that our needs are important. Number 8, random acts of kindness. Powerful tool to cultivate self-love, right? Random acts of kindness, not just for yourself, but for others. When we engage in acts of kindness, we are showing ourselves and others that we are deserving of love and care. By treating yourself and others with kindness and compassion, you are reinforcing the belief that you are a worthy and valuable person. Number 9, practicing self-forgiveness. Very essential to self-love, as it involves acknowledging our mistakes, taking responsibility, apologizing to the folk that you hurt, and that may even include yourself, and making amends. It's not about excusing our harmful actions or behaviors, but learning from them and accepting ourselves despite our imperfections, mistakes, and failures. Self-love is important to living a healthy life, and on this channel, I'll be providing you with the tools and resources to do just that. So whether you're just getting started on your wellness journey or looking for new ideas and inspiration, I'm here to support and guide you every step of the way. Let's get started on building a healthier, happier, and more self-loving version of you. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. And don't forget, please live your best life on purpose. Bye-bye.